red tea or green tea? I did some research and I'll tell you right now which one is better for you. Hey guys, welcome back for a new video. This is Pete from Burke Entertainment. Let's go straight to the point. Is red tea better than the green tea or vice versa? First of all, what is a tea? A tea is a beverage enjoyed around the world. You can make it by pouring hot water onto tea leaves and allowing them to steep for several minutes so their flavor infuses into the water. Drinking tea has been associated with many health benefits, including protecting cells from damaging and reducing the risk of heart disease. Some studies have been found that tea may enhance weight loss and help fight belly fat. Certain types have been found to be more effective than others at achieving this. Alright, let's see what red tea can do. Red tea, also called rooibos tea, is completely void of caffeine, unlike the other types of tea. Because of this, red tea is commonly recommended for patients suffering from insomnia. Eliminating caffeine can improve stress level and lowering blood pressure. This decreased blood pressure, coupled with the antioxidant quercetin, can also help with preventing other cardiovascular diseases and respiratory conditions. Red tea is not as bitter as green tea. Red tea also offers many of the same health benefits associated with green tea, including antioxidant and cancer-fighting properties. Red tea is also rich in calcium and manganese, which can improve bone strength. This reduces the chances of developing bone conditions such as arthritis, osteoporosis, and chronic joint pain. It also contains alpha hydroxy acid and zinc, which is beneficial for the skin, reducing acne, wrinkles, and relieving sunburns. While not necessarily health benefits, another unique feature of red tea is its lack of oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is a crystal-forming substance which can attach to kidney stones. Red tea is safe for those with kidney problem to drink. Finally, red tea is rich in antispasmodic agent, which can help ease abdominal pain through the activation of potassium ions without antagonizing the activities of calcium. This guide to the health benefits of different types of tea, combined with our guide on the process of making each kind of tea, will help you choose the right tea for you. Make it even easier by having all of the different tea options in your office with red cup. Now, let's see what's good about the green tea. The green tea is one of the most well-known types of tea and is linked with many health benefits. It's also one of the most effective tea for weight loss. There is substantial evidence linking green tea to decreases in both weight and body fat. In one study in 2008, 60 people followed a standardized diet for 12 weeks while regularly drinking either green tea or placebo. Over the course of the study, those who drank green tea lost 7 pounds more weight than the placebo group. Green tea gained popularity because of its impressive health benefits. Much like black tea, green tea is rich in polyphenol. In addition, green tea contains antioxidant linked to disease prevention. Green tea also contains catechin compounds, which have protective effects on neurons, potentially helping to prevent specific neurodegenerative disease such as Alzheimer and Parkinson's. It also contains an amino acid called theanine, which has anti-anxiety effects. Not only that, but theanine works simultaneously with caffeine, which very effectively improves brain functions. The two working in tandem provides a more stable energy, which allows for increased productivity over a longer span of time. In a variety of studies, the antioxidants in green tea are linked to cancer prevention, including a lower risk of developing breast cancer, prostate cancer, and colorectal cancer. The bottom line, I can only speak for myself. As I have been doing intermittent fasting, I prefer the green tea because it helps me lose weight faster. But we each have different options and we each have different needs. Though many people drink tea solely for its soothing quality and its delicious taste, each cup may also pack many health benefits. Replacing high-calorie beverages like juice or soda with tea could help reduce overall calories intake and lead to weight loss. Some animal and test tube studies have also shown that certain types of tea may help increase weight loss while blocking fat cell formation. However, studies in human are needed to investigate this further. Additionally, many types of tea are especially high beneficial compounds like flavones and catechins, which could aid in weight loss as well. Coupled with a healthy diet and regular exercise, a cup or two of tea each day could help boost weight loss and prevent harmful belly fat. I will put some link on the description down here. You can check them out, and you can, with a clean diet, drink your cup of tea every now and then, and I'm sure you will see great results. Remember always to subscribe, leave a comment. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.